Good morning. This is day 2 पुष्कर and रात को बहुत लेट हो गया था. We were so tired and we slept. हम लोग ready हैं. You can see. I'll put a shot what I'm wearing. Very Pushkar influenced dressed. It's a dhoti and a frock style top. And अभी हम लोग फटाफट breakfast करके and we are moving back to Pushkar city. आज मेन इवेंट है, मेन मेला है, सो वो हम देखेंगे. एंड अगेन आई विल शो यू व्हाट ऑल हैपन्स, क्या क्या है, क्या क्या होता है. बट देयर इज़ अ लिटिल चिल इन द वेदर. कल पहली बार मुझे इस सीज़न की विंटर रियलाइज़ हुई है. इट वॉज वेरी वेरी कोल्ड बट आई एम enjoying the weather right now. So I'll just show you what I'm wearing. Yeah. So this is a very cool, comfortable dhoti and a lovely peplum top. And I feel this is a perfect, comfortable dress. And that's why I chose this. My plate is full. Itna sara breakfast. We got a scooter back again क्योंकि स्कूटर के साथ घूमना बहुत कन्वीनियंट है पुष्कर में. And this is Pushkar's the famous Brahma temple, the main attraction. हम लोग यहाँ दर्शन करने आए हैं. We next came to this Varaha Ghat, which is the main ghat in Pushkar. सुबह सुबह यहाँ पे view is completely magical. यहाँ मॉर्निंग में सरोवर पे हमने काफ़ी अच्छे से पूजा करी. एंड यहाँ पे पुष्कर राज की एक छोटी सी पूजा होती है. And it felt so nice. ये स्टार्ट हो गया है कैटल फेयर. इतने सारे कैमल्स और ये कैमल सफारी. Oh my God. We are enjoying on our scooter. Pushkar Mela also offers anything and everything one wants to buy for their cattle, horses. इतना कलरफुल मार्केट्स डेकोरेटेड थे. अभी हम लोग सिटी से वापस रिजॉर्ट पे आ गए हैं. वी आर ओवर स्टफ्ड, नॉट एट ऑल हंग्री. सो अभी लंच नहीं कर रहे हैं. चेंज करके थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप करेंगे, प्रॉब्ली थोड़ा रेस्ट करेंगे एंड देन विल कैच अप विद यू गाइस. So we have changed and got ready again and we are going back to Pushkar city. उसके बाद हमारे कुछ और plans भी हैं. I'll talk about that. Meanwhile, I just want to show you what I'm wearing right now. It's an amazing shirt. It has some lovely work on it and I've tucked it into my jeans and I chose to wear my sneakers क्योंकि काफ़ी walk करेंगे हम वहाँ पे. तो I want to be comfortable and don't want to wear fancy heels. So this is what I'm wearing right now. So we have changed and gotten ready again. हम लोग दिन में खाना खा के थोड़ा सो गए थे. We woke up early this morning इसलिए. और हम लोग अभी अपने एक फ्रेंड के यहाँ जाने वाले हैं and we are gonna have dinner with them tonight. So उसके पहले we are going to Pushkar city. थोड़ा सा फिर से घूमेंगे, चाय वाय पियेंगे. और we also plan to see the evening aarti that happens at the ghat. So we will go there and show you all of that also. Here we are at the main Pushkar Ghat जहाँ पे evening आरती होती है, which looks amazingly beautiful. सारी lights जली हुई हैं and काफ़ी grand आरती celebration होता है ये. So we are just watching it and enjoying it presently. For foodies, streets of Pushkar are like heaven. So much to try, and this super boiled milk with dry fruits, kesar और वो भी served in मिट्टी के कुल्हड़ was so delicious. Good morning. This is day 3 in Pushkar और हम लोग अभी उठे हैं. We haven't taken bath और breakfast कर लिया है हमने because I wanted to we wanted to keep it easy. कल सुबह सुबह बहुत भागना हो गया था. तो today is the last day here in Pushkar. आज हम वापस से we are returning back home. So अभी खाना खा के we were just walking around, थोड़ा सा घूम रहे थे इधर प्रॉपर्टी में. And now we plan to get ready and then we will head back to Jaipur. So see you after we get ready. Wow! ये यहाँ पे ग्रीन हाउस में कितनी सारी सब्जियाँ उगा रखी है. उस साइड में है पत्ता गोभी एंड मैंने पहली बार ब्रोकली लगे हुए देखी. सी दिस इज ब्रोकली. वाओ, फ्रेश फ्रॉम द फार्म. So catching up again. After breakfast we played a little bit. यहाँ इस रिजॉर्ट में इतने सारी चीज़ें हैं खेलने के लिए. There is a billiards table or pool table, I don't know what exactly you call it. There's cricket, there is basketball, there is badminton, many games and हम लोगों ने काफ़ी games खेले. We really enjoyed our time. आराम से relax. Now we have taken bath, gotten ready again. I just want to show you this. This is something that I bought from Pushkar, both the earrings and the pendant, and this is so beautiful. I am definitely gonna make a haul video of some small little things that I've bought from Pushkar market, and I'm gonna bring it to you very soon. For now, we are leaving. We have packed our bags. We are checking out, and I'll keep you posted. What else do we do? So, see you now. Whatever we do, I'll let you know. I also wanted to show you the outfit of the day. So I'm sure you've seen this dress. This was also showcased in my 9 days 9 festival looks series, and I love to repeat my dresses for multiple occasions, multiple ways I can wear it. So this time I've kept it very casual. I'm wearing very simple jewelry. I have paired it with my regular juttis, and this is an extremely comfortable dress because it is a little loose, so I always pair it up with a belt. Today I'm wearing a brown very simple basic belt that I've tied up, and this is the outfit of the day. While we are checking out, I thought to just spend some time outside and sit here. It is so relaxing. I'll just show you how quiet inside. They have kept this property so very clean, very nicely maintained. I give this 5 out of 5. I will definitely love to come back and stay here. The food is so yummy, amazing. The place is nice. बहुत neat and clean है. काफ़ी अच्छा open space है. And this is how it looks. Lovely outdoor space. But we haven't been able to sit here outside for long, but because ज़्यादा time मिला नहीं, so we preferred moving out around in the gardens and playing and all of that. So another major attraction of Pushkar is this sunset point. So जाने से पहले हम ज़रूर यहाँ पे visit करना चाहते थे, and here is where we are. And this place is again very nice. And इसके just opposite में है Sunset Cafe, जहाँ से views is so beautiful, especially at this sunset time. So these last 2 days in Pushkar was a completely different experience. We had some amazing time. खाने में बहुत मज़ा आया, शॉपिंग करने में, so many colors that my eyes witnessed in these last 2 days. And that's gonna stay for me forever, and we will definitely come back and be a part of this Mela in future again. You guys, if you've enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Do like, comment, and see you in another video. Bye bye for now.